Hi kindergartners, we are going to be starting our next project and we are going to be making an alphabet mural in the hallway. A mural is a really large painting and our mural is going to be the alphabet. So each one of you is going to get a letter, and do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? Yes, 26 letters. And what I've done is I have all these different stencils of each letter, and on a piece of paper, a square piece of paper, I have traced a letter. So when you come in, you're just going to get whatever letter I pass you. You're going to need a black crayon. Later on we're going to need watercolor paints, and you're going to need some crayon colors. The first step is you're going to take your black crayon and you are going to nice and dark outline your letter, just like a coloring book, so it really stands out. If you get off the pencil line, that's okay. Okay, so there is my letter K. I can set my black crayon aside. Now you can pick whatever color you like, but try to just pick one color of crayon, and you're going to color in your letter nice and dark. I want to show you something. So here I've been coloring nice and dark, but what about that coloring that I just did? Or what about that coloring? Is either example here, did I color in completely? Look at really close. You can still see some of the white paper in both of these. So I want to make sure that I go back and take my crayon and color in nice and dark. That takes time, and your hand will probably get a little tired, so you can stop and kind of maybe stretch your hand and then try it again. Now, we're also going to be looking at some stories, well, actually books that are alphabet books. And I have a couple to share with you. Okay, pretty good. I have a few spots that I could color in better, but I think I'm ready for paint. Now the three colors you get are yellow, blue, and red. What do we call those colors? Yes, primary colors. I'm also going to set a cup of water with a paintbrush. And remember, we're going to activate the watercolor paints, we're going to take some water and just set a drop of water in each color so they're nice and wet and ready to be used. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job there. Now, I'm going to take, it doesn't matter what color I start with, I'm going to start with blue. And I'm going to go here, and I can go right over the top of my crayon color. Now, I like blue a lot, but I want to try some other colors. What happens if I take the red and I put it here, but then what happens when the red touches the blue? What color do I make? Purple. You're right. Purple. I'm always going back, can you hear, to clean my brush. So I'm going to take some red again. Maybe I'll come over here. But what if I take red and I take some yellow? What color do I make now when it mixes? Ooh, that's kind of hard to see there, but I'm making orange. I'll go back to some blue. And blue, and I'll touch a little bit of yellow on that blue, and of course, what am I making? Yeah, green. I like that green. So what I'm going to do to fill up my letter is just keep doing that. Keep going around, filling up the background. Now I forgot to tell you, what do we call the colors? I'm just going to make orange. So orange, that's not a primary color, is it? No. Primaries are red, yellow, blue. Orange and green and purple are called secondary colors. Can you say that? Wait, say it again. I didn't really hear you. Yes, secondary colors. So I'm going to go make some purple again. Now when purple touches the orange, it's not going to make a really pretty color. So I'm going to just come back here. Okay. So I don't know if you can see it in my camera, but my letter K, the background is all painted, and now you can just take it up to my table and get a white for your hands. I can't wait to see what you do.